New at 6, Governor Brian Kemp urges Georgians to remain vigilant in the fight against both the flu and the coronavirus.
Wear your mask, watch your distance, wash your hands, follow the guidance. And the fifth thing that Dr. Toomey has added, get your flu shot.
Good advice. Those remarks came on the same day that Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar visited the CDC here in Atlanta to discuss Operation Warp Speed. That's the Trump administration's name for its plan to find a vaccine. CBS 46's Ashley Thompson live outside the CDC with that story. Ashley.
Rick, Secretary Azar believes we will have a vaccine, at least in limited doses, by the end of the year. And experts here at the CDC say it's never been more important to wear one of these as we head into the fall and winter and people move indoors. Although COVID-19 cases are climbing across the country, Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar remains optimistic.
There is hope on the way in the form of safe and effective vaccines in a matter of weeks or months.
Azar met with CDC Director Robert Redfield and Infectious Diseases Deputy Director Jay Butler to lay out the state of the pandemic.
Unfortunately, we're seeing a distressing trend here in the United States with COVID-19 cases increasing in nearly 75% of the country.
The country has surpassed 221,000 COVID-19 deaths, but a new CDC report suggests that number may be much higher. According to the CDC, between late January and early October, an extra 299,000 Americans have died, compared to the same time frame in prior years.
About 2/3 of those we can link directly to COVID-19.
The CDC is determining whether it will redefine what it considers close contact, currently defined as someone within 6 feet for at least 15 minutes.
The individual who had a series of shorter contacts, but over time added up to more than 15 minutes, became infected.
The CDC is also researching whether the isolation period for students exposed to COVID-19 can be shortened.
Can you use testing during the quarantine to determine if you could shorten the quarantine from 14 days to 10 days or 7 days?
Now, President Trump has often criticized Dr. Fauci and others working on the COVID-19 pandemic. When asked about that, Secretary Azar says it should have no impact on the creation of a vaccine. He believes the American people should trust the data and processes underway to create those vaccines. Live in DeKalb County, I'm Ashley Thompson, CBS 46 News.
Ashley, thank you.